Hey everyone, once again, hi. These are the components that just got delivered, or like a couple of more things. I just got the RAM. I got this Kingston Fury DDR4 CL36 RAM. So, as I guess everyone of you knows, the prices of RAM are bonkers right now. So, these RAMs costed me approx 31,000 because, yeah, they are too cheap right now. So yeah, whatever. So I just bought them. Guess didn't have much of an option, and as much as I know, they aren't going to get any cheaper anytime soon. So I've already showed this CPU and the graphics card in my previous video. These things just got delivered, so the RAM just got delivered. Apart from that, I ordered just single esport fan. Yeah, this is a cheap one, but as you can guess, I already blew most of my budget in other components. Yeah, I already showed this SSD as well in my previous video, so we can keep this aside. Now the big thing is, obviously the big thing is the RAM. This is the most maybe second most expensive thing in my build, but yeah. So we got this motherboard which I already shared in my previous video. This is what I'm gonna be using, so whatever. So this is MSI MAG B850 Tomahawk Max Wi-Fi. This is a really good motherboard. So I've done a lot of research on my end. I have explored a whole lot of videos and Reddit posts and everything, and this is what I think is the best for my build right now. These are some of the features that are mentioned on the back of the motherboard. Apart from this motherboard, we also got this power supply delivered just like maybe half an hour ago. So yeah, I'm doing the video right now. This is really good power supply. This is A plus tier power supply. So in this video, I think we can keep these things aside and maybe do the unboxing of motherboard. So yeah, let me just get these out of here, and this goes there, this goes there. So yeah, I've already opened the box to check if everything is okay. So here goes the motherboard. The first thing is this what is this? Okay, Wi-Fi antenna for the motherboard. So yeah, then that's all we have in here. Let me just put this aside. Now comes the main thing, the motherboard. So actually this is the first time me holding a motherboard in my whole life, seeing this close. So I wasn't expecting it to be this big. I've seen a lot of YouTube videos and all, but yeah, I wasn't expecting it to be this big. It's bigger than my expectations. So yeah, let me just get it out. Maybe wait, we can maybe explore what else there is in the box first, and then we'll go with the motherboard. So here are some other things, the stickers, the shout out thingy, and then there's a regulatory notice, installation guide, which I'm gonna need. So yeah, that's good. We have some standoffs. These are for SSDs, I guess, right? And then there's this this is an extension cable, as much as I remember from watching other videos. This is the key for those standoffs. And then we have this cable, which I'm not sure what it is for. And this is SATA cable, as much as I remember. So yeah, this another standoff. So this is all we've got in this box. Let me just put this back and we can continue with the motherboard. So yeah, I have to make sure this does not interfere with the box. And there goes a box back in, pretty much settled. Let me get this back. Whatever. Okay, coming back to the motherboard. and here it is. Whoa. It's heavy. Ow. Okay. Take a look at this beauty. So these are the heat sinks. Pretty heavy motherboard actually, but again, holding this for the first time, so I wouldn't know. There's this cool thing about this motherboard. You get a release button kind of thingy, which really helps when you want to get out the graphics card out of this motherboard. So yeah, here the graphics card will go in. This is the connector and all these things. So yeah, pretty cool motherboard, I would say. Don't really have much to say about it. Yeah, these are the ports. We got 1, 2 and 3 USB-C ports. All of these are 10 gigabits per second, I guess. Then we have a 10 gigabit USB port, 4 normal ports 2.0, and another 10 gigabit port, and then there's this 5 gigabit port. We got HDMI, flash BIOS button and CMOS clear button, Wi-Fi antennas, and mic in, mic out. So yeah, really good. Feels kind of awesome, I'd say, to hold this in your hands. So yes, this is all, I guess, about the motherboard. Now there are a few things I wanted to talk in my previous video. Actually, I'm doing this freehand, if no script or anything. So yeah, and first time making video, so I keep forgetting a lot of things that I want to mention or share. So maybe most of you are thinking, why am I building the PC right now? The RAM prices are completely bonkers, and then GPU prices are also going up. So yeah, that's the exact reason. As much as I know, as much as I have researched, the RAM prices aren't going to go down anytime soon, and I wasn't ready to wait for 1.5 year or 2 year more to get my first build. So I decided to do it right now. Actually, I was tracking the graphics card prices and everything during the Big Billion Days sale, and a graphics card which I wanted to get did go all the way down to like 83,000 if I remember correctly. But yeah, I didn't order it then. Apart from that, I didn't really look into RAMs, like which one should I get. I thought, why do we need to research on RAM? They are just 10,000, 15,000, we can get them anytime. So these exact RAMs at the time during the Big Billion Days were approx 8,000 or 10,000 maybe, and right now I bought these for 31,400 and something rupees. So yeah, these are from an offline store, or like there's a website from which I ordered. It's not Amazon or Flipkart. So yeah, maybe you can get these now. I don't think you can get this for 31k now. It's more expensive now. Apart from that, about the graphics card, I think I really got a good deal. So this is a Zotac graphics card 5070 Ti, like the top tier graphics card they produce, AMP Infinity Ultra, and this is overclocked, really good cooling. There's a chamber things, something like vapor chamber, I guess, vapor chamber cooling in this. So I got this for approx 93,000 during this previous sale that just finished maybe like 10 or 15 days ago, during somewhere around 5th 7th December, I guess. So yeah, I got this for 93,000. Got this motherboard for 23.5 thousand, and then already said the price of RAM. This SSD is approx 12,800. The processor, I got the processor for around 31,000, and the power supply is 11,000. So yeah, this is the whole thing. Now I'm waiting for just 2 more things. I cannot continue with this build unless they are delivered. The first and foremost thing is the CPU cooler. So maybe it's gonna take 1 or 2 more days to get here. And the other thing is the cabinet for this PC. So So yeah, I'm waiting for those two to get here, and then we can experiment with this build, because I haven't really done anything with PC building or anything. I have no experience, nothing at all. I've just opened my laptops a couple of times, upgraded RAM and replaced the SSD maybe once or twice. So this is the extent of experience I have with this PC parts and all that. So yeah, we'll see how it goes, if I do it right or mess it up. So I would really like if some of you guys who have experience with all this could join my stream where I build this PC, so I can get guidance from you guys during the build, because I'm really gonna need it. Yeah, I can't just keep googling things and watching YouTube videos during the build. So I am hoping that some of you would join to help me out. So yeah, this is all about the motherboard, and maybe in next video I'm gonna do an unboxing and maybe a few details about the power supply as well. So yeah, thank you very much for watching, and if you have any questions, any suggestions, anything at all, I'd love to hear from you guys. So please share your thoughts, please comment down, and yeah, let me know what you think. Should I risk building this PC myself, or should I get a technician down here who can help me build it? Because yeah, I'm kind of nervous. These are all expensive things, and I somehow managed to get all this, but yes, I'm nervous and I'm scared that I'm gonna mess this up, maybe maybe not. So yeah, please share your thoughts. Should I experiment with this? Should I take this risk or not? Because if I mess anything, it's gonna hurt. I don't think I'll be like able to complete this build for another 2 to 3 months, because yeah, all my savings have been gone buying all this. So yeah, I don't really want to risk it, but then I don't want my first experience, like the opportunity to experience building your own PC, to yeah, I don't want to lose that opportunity as well. So yeah, I'm really thinking between both options, building it myself, or maybe getting someone to do the build for me. But yeah, please do share your thoughts on this. So that's it for this video.